All right, y'all. We finally got the tool set in, and it's called like the GM upper. What was it called? It was like the GM upper control arm bushing set or something like that. So we got it in. Let's give it a try, and let's see what we can do. So the two that fit is only one of these. So this is one of them that you're gonna need. And then you just need to find the right one that fits in. And it has two sides to it, of course. The smaller side goes right here and goes against the inside of the bushing. And then the bigger side, the more bigger shallow side, locks right into the little claw on the C-clamp that comes with it. So if you try to put it the other way, it's way too much play. So turn it around that way and it fits in there. Perfect. And then for this one, this fits across the edge right here. And you want to make sure that it is butted all the way up against the bushing there. If you got two people, it'll make it easy. But one person, it is completely doable. And I definitely recommend, if you don't have an impact, then just God bless you. I mean, that's all I got to say. If you working on anything, especially an old school, or if you got a truck, if you working on something old, or if you got something more than a front wheel drive car, you need an impact. You don't need an impact, but it will make your life 10 times better. Probably one of the better investments that I made was this M18 mid torque, 100%. All right, so everything is locked in. You want to make sure that this piece is as far on it as it'll get, because you don't want it to slip off the edge. So I don't think it's going no further than that. So let's give it a whiff biff potato chip, and let's see if we can get this thing out. See, and it slipped off. I'm not trying to bend anything. So I thought I had it on there good, and I did not. So let's try that again. It did start coming out a little bit, but like I said, I'm replacing these bushings so that I don't have to buy new control arms. I mean, that's the whole point, right? So let's protect what we got so we don't have to buy a replacement. So go slow, take your time. Okay. Okay. All right, so all the fun was on the other side. So I'll put the camera on the other side when I do that one. I think I might have cross-threaded this a little bit. So let's get to the other side. And I think on this side, you may be on the open face side of the bushing. It's a little crooked in there. So that's why it ain't coming out. It's a tad bit crooked.